Good morning everyone. This is chapter 11 part 8 and today we will be discussing about advertising. My name is Khadija Anwar. So what is the meaning of advertising? Is one of the most common tools companies use to direct persuasive communications to target buyers in public. Advertising is a paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services by identified sponsor. Okay, so we all know what are ads for. जो हम लोग देखते हैं advertisements या we can say the advertisings, it is for us to make us aware about the product. ठीक है, and it is a paid promotion, मतलब कि you have to pay for the ad. you are फोकसिंग और जो तुम दिखा रहे हो उसके लिए आपको पे करना पड़ता है. दैट इज़ एडवर्टाइजिंग. इज सेलिंग, यहाँ पे एक डेफिनेशन है अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टार्च. एडवर्टाइजिंग इज सेलिंग इन प्रिंट, प्रेजेंटिंग अ कमोडिटी इन प्रिंट टू अ पीपल इन सच अ वे दैट दे मे इंड्यूस्ड टू बाय इट. ठीक है, मतलब उसको कोई भी तुम अपने प्रोडक्ट को उसका इतना क्वालिटीज़ बता दो या उसका इतना benefits बता दो that the customers will get attracted towards your product and they will be forced to buy your product. So this is what advertisement is all about. You have to pay for your ad. Okay, and there are mediums to showcase your ad. Like तुम newspaper में दे सकते हो, you can give it in your website या internet या with the help of banner, posters, magazines. All these are the mediums जिसके बारे में हम लोग इस वीडियो के आगे पढ़ेंगे. So I hope this meaning is clear to all of you, that what do you mean by advertising. And I have given a definition over here, that is according to, in the words of Starch. Okay, the last 4 lines defines the definition of advertising according to Starch. Now we will be studying about the features of advertising. So number 1 is reach, number 2 is legitimacy, number 3 is economy, then choice, then expressiveness, then customer satisfaction and confidence. So these are the features. Reach means you can reach a large market. ठीक है, मतलब कि with the help of one ad you can make aware about your product in a large way. Then your choice, it depends. With the help of advertisements you can make choice about your product. Then a publicly advertised product gets legitimacy in the eyes of the prospective customers. Then expressiveness, it expresses it expresses the product. Economy means in a very small amount you can make aware about your product in a huge market, and it also satisfies the customers and takes the confidence of the customers. Okay, now what is the role? It improves the dealer relation. Now the 12 objectives of advertising, you only have to write 2 or 3 lines about these. You don't have to make it a big you don't have to define it in more than 15 to 20 words. तो रोल को इतना ज़्यादा ब्रीफली डिफाइन करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. These are the 12 role or these are the 12 objectives of advertising. Okay, to improve dealer relation, to increase the use of product, to support personal selling, to people inaccessible to salesman, to expand sale, to build brand preference, to acquaint buyers, to publicize some changes, to introduce new product, to counter attack prejudices, to improve the morale of dealers and to build goodwill. So these are the role or the objectives of advertising. ठीक है, with the help of advertising ये 12 objectives होता है. Now there are advantages and there are disadvantages of advertising. Number 1 is expansion of market, जो कि हम बताएं कि एक ad से पूरे market में expand हो सकते हो. It reduces the cost of distribution. It brings down the cost of production. ओके, देन क्योंकि कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन में एडवर्टाइजमेंट कॉस्ट भी रहता है, तो वो जो है डाउन हो जाता है. इट गिव्स अ फिलिप टू प्रोडक्शन. इट स्प्रेड्स द नेटवर्क ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ओके, तो तुम्हारा एड not only the customers are watching your ad, the distributors are also getting aware about the product, so they can also make their mind uh, whether to marketize themselves in this product or not. And it's educate the public, it helps to improve the quality, it's eliminate the middleman, it's educate the potential buyers, and employment opportunities are also created um, with the help of ad. Now there are disadvantages, बहुत सारा ऐसा ad होता है जिसमें झूठ बोला जाता है, so it misleads the people. Then it encourages vulgarity, stupidity, it increases the price of the product, it multiplies the need of people. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि ad इतना attractive होता है कि people are forced to buy that whether they need it or not. It works to produce a society composed of greedy, it makes unnecessary changes. Now whether they are changing the product or not, वो लोग ad में ऐसा दिखा देते हैं कि लगता है कि the product has been changed and you get attracted towards the new product. Okay, so this is known as false advertisements. And then burden of advertising कॉस्ट, बहुत बार जितना कॉस्ट आप एड में लगा रहे हैं वो वर्थ नहीं होता है प्रोडक्ट का, सो that means a high cost of your advertisement for no reason. Okay, now the next one is advertising media. We will be studying about the advertising media, and I told you about some of the advertising media, that is newspaper, magazines, televisions, radio, internet, direct mail. So advertising media जो होता है वो, those are the mediums to introduce your product or to make aware about your product. ठीक है, so number one is direct mail, and this is the oldest type of advertising media. Under this method, a message is sent to the prospective buyers by post. A mailing list is prepared for this purpose. Circular letters, folders, calendars, booklets, and catalogs are sent under this type of advertising. In the sales letter, an appeal is made to द बायर्स सेपरेटली. ठीक है, तो इट इज़ अ मेल कि प्लीज़ आप मेरा जो है प्रोडक्ट उसको ख़रीदिए, और उसका बेनिफिट्स जो है उस मेल में लिखा रहता है दैट टू अट्रैक्ट द कस्टमर और अ डीलर और अ होल सेलर टू बाय द प्रोडक्ट. एंड दिस इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट टाइप ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग मीडिया. Okay, now the next one is newspaper and magazines. They are the important forms of press advertising. Newspapers are the most effective and powerful medium of advertising. Newspaper contain valuable information with regard to different current events. It may be referred to as storehouse of information. There are daily or bi-weekly newspapers, or okay. So advertising is a kind of sales promotion. Okay, you are promoting your product, you are making the customers aware about your product. So newspapers and magazines are the medium of advertising, and in a single newspaper you can get information about not one but many products. Now the third one is radio advertising, जो कि आजकल it's not in use in, but it is also a very popular type of advertising these days. So not these days, आजकल तो you can get all the information on internet or via Google or magazines or other types of websites. So radio advertising was once upon a time a very popular and effective medium of advertisements. They are broadcasted from different stations from all India radio, and advertising can be explained as word of mouth advertising on a wholesale scale. The advertising messages can be different regional language. Yes, they can use on the radio, they can use different regional languages to make aware about the product. Okay, now number 4 is टेलीविजन एडवर्टाइजिंग, जो कि हम लोग देखते हैं, जो कि ऐड आता है टीवी पे, दैट इज नोन एज television advertising. This is the latest and the fast developing medium of advertising and is getting increased popularity these days. It is more effective as compared to radio as it has the advantage of sound and sight. So you can see the product और देख के जान सकते हो कि कैसा दिखता है, कैसे पैक में आता है, क्या क्वालिटी है, ये सब चीज़ जो है टेलीविज़न में इट इज़ अवेलेबल है, इसीलिए इट इज़ मोर इफेक्टिव दैन रेडियो एडवर्टाइजिंग. Okay, now the fifth one is the fifth one is film advertising. This is also known as cinema advertising. This also provides sight and hearing facilities like television. Short advertisement films are not prepared by big business houses, which are sent to different cinema houses to be shown to the audience before the regular shows or during the intermission. It has more, it is more repetitive. ठीक है, तो इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि जो हम लोग मूवी के बीच में या मूवी स्टार्ट होने से पहले जो हम लोग सिनेमा हॉल्स में एड्स देखते हैं, वो एक बार नहीं आता है. देखना कि वो बार बार आता है, जब इंटरवल होता है तब आता है, जब पिक्चर स्टार्ट होता है तब आता है. तो इट इज़ ऑलवेज रिपीटेटिव एंड दिस इज़ नोन एज फिल्म एडवर्टाइजिंग. जब ऐड करके, and it is not done by big business houses, it is only to make you all aware about the product. and उसमें बहुत हाई लेवल एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस का भी यूज़ नहीं होता है, उसमें खाली प्रोडक्ट जो होता है उसको दिखाया जाता है. ओके, नाउ द सिक्स्थ वन इज आउटडोर एडवर्टाइजिंग. दिस टाइप ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग इंक्लूड्स डिफरेंट मीडिया लाइक पोस्टर्स, placards, electric displays or neon signs. And this is also known as mural advertising. The main aim of our outdoor advertising is to catch the attention of the passerby within the twinkling of an eye. Okay, दिस इज़ नोन एज आउटडोर एडवर्टाइजिंग. जो बैनर्स लगा रहता है या जो प्लकार्ड्स लगा रहता है, तो चलते वे में कोई भी उस प्रोडक्ट को देख ले या उस सर्विस को देख ले, या जो भी एडवर्टाइजमेंट ज़रूरी नहीं कि प्रोडक्ट का हो, बहुत बार जॉब वैकेंसीज़ का भी होता है, बहुत बार कॉलेजेस का भी होता है. सो दिस इज़ नोन एज आउटडोर एडवर्टाइजिंग. नाउ द सेवेंथ वन इज़ fairs and exhibition. A trade exhibition or a fair is organized on extensive scale which is attended by different manufacturers and traders along with their products to be sold to the large number of people who visit the exhibition. The exhibition may be either organized on local, provincial or international basis. ठीक है, so there are some examples also, but इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. जो भी एग्जीबिशन लगता है किसी भी ब्रांड का या किसी भी देखना कार का या कोई प्रोडक्ट का या सर्विसेज का, उसको बोलते हैं फेयर्स एंड एग्जीबिशन प्रमोशन. जहाँ पे यू हैव टू विजिट अ फेयर और अ एग्जीबिशन विथ योर प्रोडक्ट एंड देन वहाँ पे उसका बेनिफिट्स बताओ, अगर सेल करना है तो उसका एडवांटेजेस बताओ, उसका क्या यूज़ है वो बताओ. ठीक है, तो आई हैव डिस्कस्ड ओनली 7 टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग मीडियम. इसमें इंटरनेट भी आ सकता है. ठीक है, सो यू कैन ऐड सम मोर जो कि पेज में दिया है 410, पेज नंबर 410 एंड 11 में. सो यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट ऑल्सो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द फैक्टर्स विच आर टू बी कंसिडर्ड बिफोर टेकिंग अ डिसीजन कि कौन सा मीडियम को चूज़ करना है. ठीक है, सो नंबर 1 इज़ selectivity. This refers to the ability of a medium to reach a particular audience. ठीक है, नाउ बहुत बार ऑडियंस सेलेक्ट करते हैं हम लोग कि किस तरह के ऑडियंस को दिखाना है. ठीक है, नंबर 2 इज़ कवरेज, कि तुम्हारे प्रोडक्ट का कितना कवरेज चाहिए, तुमको ह्यूज मार्केट में चाहिए या तुम लोकल अर्बन में भी उसको इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो. देन द थर्ड वन इज़ कॉस्ट. ठीक है, द कॉस्ट ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो has a very high impact. Then the editorial environment. Then number 5 is permanence, number 6 is flexibility, and number 7 is the nature of the product. What type of product you are launching, and what kind of media, what kind of customers you want to attract, that also should be focused. So that's all for today. We have